First off, you do need a DV camera. Mine happens to be a Sony, but Canon and Panasonic and JVC all work with LifeFlix. Next, you're going to plug your your camera into your computer. And this has got to be via the FireWire port. Okay, FireWire does look like a little USB, but it does say DV or FireWire. Next, we're going to plug the camera into your Mac computer. And because Mac innovates so much, they have changed the connectors several times. We are now up to a Thunderbolt connector on the Mac. And so what you're going to need is this connector, which you can find links on our website and buy it at Apple, which is a FireWire to Thunderbolt. Now we found our camera. We have our camera connected to our Mac computer via the Thunderbolt, and we launch LifeFlix. And by the way, this tutorial is the same for LifeFlix free or the LifeFlix paid version. Okay, inside of LifeFlix, we're gonna just click the import button. We are constantly looking for a camera, so we found your camera, and then we will type in the name of this. Okay, this actually names the file as well on your computer. I'm not going to rewind the tape just so I can show you how this works. And immediately you'll see the videos start coming in. Ah, there's my wife trying to avoid the camera. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and stop that. But it builds a tape in LifeFlix and it builds your scenes. I'm now going to show you a little bit about the catalog, how it works, and then we're going to make a quick movie. So as I said before, on the left side you've got all of your tapes. This is where all the individual tapes you imported. If you click on a tape, then you see the individual videos or the clips that are on that tape. As you can see, this tape has 105 different video clips. Very exciting. Okay, so we're going to click on an individual video clip on the right in the scenes menu. The first thing we're going to do is shorten that video, called trimming. And so I know at the end of this video, my daughter's got a cake and all of our friends are there. So I'm just going to basically find that and then I'm going to trim. The cool thing about when we trim is it puts this little trim icon here so you know which video you modified or probably the one that you want to use in making your final movie. I'm going to click on my second clip. I also know at the end of this clip, my nephew is going to pin this little game thing. So I'm just going to basically go to the end. Okay, I'm going to trim that. So now I've got two videos. And if I use the Apple Command key, I can select both those videos. You see how they're blue. I go up here, I click the Combine button. That actually puts that video into the first one. So now I go into that clip and I scrub through. And there is the two videos, and I made a movie. Now I can share that to YouTube or Facebook, into my Photos application, or onto a file on my computer if I want to email it later. Okay, thanks for listening.